If you're wondering how to customize CoConstruct for your specific business needs, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can tailor this powerful software to fit the unique demands of your construction business. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the tools at your disposal and how to apply them for maximum efficiency. First, let's talk about setting up your company's preferences. The beauty of CoConstruct is that it allows you to personalize your workflow right from the get-go. You can set up your company's logo, color scheme, and contact information to make sure the software reflects your brand. But it doesn't stop there. CoConstruct also lets you define default settings for various aspects of your projects, from budget categories to scheduling preferences, ensuring that the software works exactly the way you need it to. Next thing you'll want to customize is your project templates. CoConstruct lets you create templates for different types of projects, whether it's a custom home, a renovation, or something else. You can choose which features and fields to include in these templates, so you don't waste time entering the same data every time. Once you have your template set up, creating new projects becomes a breeze and your team will have consistent, easy-to-follow workflows. The third thing to consider is adjusting user roles and permissions. CoConstruct gives you the ability to control who has access to what information. Whether you're working with project managers, subcontractors, or clients, you can assign specific permissions to ensure that each person only sees what they need to see. This helps streamline communication and ensures sensitive data remains secure. Next, let's dive into integrating with other tools. CoConstruct integrates seamlessly with other software like QuickBooks, Xero, and more. You can sync your financials, track invoices, and even connect with your accounting system. This integration can save you a lot of time and help keep everything in one place, which is essential when running a busy construction business. The fifth thing you'll need to do is customizing the client portal. CoConstruct has a client portal where your clients can view project updates, photos, and invoices. But here's the secret: you can customize it. You can choose what your clients see and how they interact with the portal, making it a reflection of your company's communication style. This can help enhance your client relationships and build trust. Now, here's something crucial: setting up notifications and alerts. You can customize alerts for just about everything in CoConstruct. Need to know when a payment is due or when a task is overdue? You can set up automatic notifications so you never miss an important update. This helps keep your projects on track and your team in the loop, reducing errors and delays. Lastly, customize your financial reporting. CoConstruct offers robust reporting tools that you can tailor to track your costs, profits, and overall project performance. With the right setup, you can generate detailed reports that help you make smarter financial decisions and keep your projects on budget. By now, you've learned how to customize CoConstruct for your specific business needs, and trust me, with these features, you'll save time, increase efficiency, and improve your bottom line. Before you go, remember that you can try CoConstruct completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Check the first link in the description below for your extended free trial. Don't miss out on these powerful tools, and if you're looking for even more tips, be sure to check out the other videos linked below.